This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom watermark to a Word document. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have Word opened up now and I have a little example document here. To add a custom watermark image to a Word document, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here and you want to click on the Design tab, Design. Then on the ribbon, you want to go off to the far right side of the ribbon and you want to click on Watermark. Then it gives you some little thumbnails here where you could add your own text as a watermark. You could scroll down, gives you a lot of different options here. But to add a custom watermark image, you want to go down to the very bottom down here and you want to click on Custom Watermark. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to select Picture Watermark. You want to toggle this one on here, Picture Watermark. And then you want to click on Select Picture. I have my picture on my device here. I'm going to click on Select Picture. Then I'm going to click on From a File. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, you want to locate your image on your computer. I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on Insert. Then I'm going to click on Apply. I'm going to click on Close. Now to adjust your image, your watermark logo, you want to go up to the top of your document up here and you want to double left click. Double left click in the header area of your document. That takes you into the header. Now I'm going to left click on my image to select it. Now you can see I have the bounding box around my image. Now I can move it around. I could pull in on the corners to downsize it. I'm going to pull out to upsize it. I'm going to position it where I want. Now to get out of the header area, I'm going to hit the Escape key twice on my keyboard. Escape twice. Now I'm out of the header. I could continue editing my document. That is how to add a custom watermark image in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.